Have you ever wondered how our planet looks from space? The view from orbit reveals a world filled with incredible secrets and breathtaking phenomena that we often take for granted. From the vibrant auroras at the poles to the Sahara Desert's mysterious dust storms, Earth has so many astonishing tales to tell. Join us as we uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about Earth that are best appreciated from space and prepare to see our home in a whole new light. Earth's atmosphere creates a stunning halo. Seen from space, Earth's atmosphere forms a delicate glowing halo around the planet. This thin, life-sustaining layer is only about 62 miles thick, yet it holds the key to our survival. The blue haze visible from orbit is caused by the scattering of sunlight by air molecules, which also explains why the sky appears blue from the ground. The atmospheric halo is most visible during sunrise and sunset in orbit, when sunlight hits the edge of Earth at a low angle. Astronauts aboard the International Space Station often describe this as one of the most awe-inspiring sights, with vibrant colors ranging from deep blue to fiery red. This phenomenon highlights how fragile and precious our atmosphere truly is, acting as a protective shield against harmful solar radiation and meteoroids. The atmospheric layers seen from space also reveal how diverse this protective blanket is. The troposphere, where weather occurs, is closest to Earth's surface. Above that, the stratosphere holds the ozone layer, which absorbs the sun's ultraviolet rays. Beyond the stratosphere lie the mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere, each contributing uniquely to the planet's climate and habitability. From space, the atmosphere's beauty is matched only by its importance. This shimmering halo is a constant reminder of how interconnected all life on Earth is with this delicate layer. Protecting it is not just a scientific necessity but a responsibility we share as global citizens. Earth emits a subtle glow. Earth doesn't just reflect sunlight, it also emits its own faint glow, known as air glow. This phenomenon occurs when ultraviolet radiation from the sun interacts with the molecules in our atmosphere, causing them to release energy in the form of light. From space, this creates a dim, colorful band of light encircling the planet, often visible in shades of green, yellow, and red. Airglow is more than just a visual marvel, it's a window into the processes occurring high above Earth's surface. By studying airglow, scientists can learn about the density, composition, and movement of atmospheric gases. This information is vital for understanding weather patterns and improving climate models. One of the most striking features of airglow is its ability to illuminate the night side of Earth, providing a faint, natural light. This phenomenon is especially prominent over regions where auroras occur, as charged particles from the sun interact with Earth's magnetic field, creating a dazzling spectacle that complements the airglow. For astronauts, the sight of Earth's airglow serves as a constant reminder of the planet's vibrant energy and activity. From the ground, it's nearly invisible to the naked eye, but from space, it becomes a glowing signature of Earth's dynamic atmosphere. The poles host stunning auroras. The northern and southern lights, or auroras, are some of the most captivating natural phenomena on Earth, and they're even more spectacular when seen from space. Caused by the interaction between solar particles and Earth's magnetic field, auroras paint the polar regions with ribbons of green, red, purple, and blue light. From orbit, auroras appear as shimmering ovals around the magnetic poles, stretching hundreds of miles across. These light shows are most active during solar storms when the sun releases bursts of charged particles that collide with oxygen and nitrogen in Earth's atmosphere. The result is an energetic display that can be seen from both the ground and space. Auroras are not just beautiful, they also play a crucial role in understanding Earth's magnetosphere, which shields the planet from harmful solar and cosmic radiation. By studying auroras, scientists can learn more about the dynamics of the Sun-Earth connection and how solar activity affects our planet. From the perspective of astronauts, watching an aurora unfold below them is like witnessing a living, breathing entity. The colors and patterns shift in real time, creating a mesmerizing experience that highlights the beauty and complexity of Earth's natural processes. Earth's oceans reflect stunning blues. When viewed from space, Earth's oceans stand out as a brilliant blue, covering over 70% of the planet's surface. This vibrant color is caused by the absorption of red and orange wavelengths of sunlight and the scattering of blue wavelengths, giving our planet its nickname, the blue marble. The ocean's appearance from space also changes with the seasons, weather, and time of day. Sunlight reflecting off calm seas creates dazzling flashes known as glint, which can be seen even from satellites thousands of miles away. During phytoplankton blooms, patches of the ocean may appear green due to the presence of chlorophyll, highlighting the vital role these microorganisms play in the global ecosystem. Earth's oceans are not just visually stunning, they're also a key driver of life and climate. They absorb heat from the sun, regulate temperature, and support a vast array of biodiversity. From space, the interconnectedness of the oceans is evident, with currents, eddies, and upwellings forming intricate patterns across the globe. The view of Earth's oceans from space underscores their importance as a source of life and a climate regulator. Protecting these vast blue expanses is critical for maintaining the health of our planet for generations to come. Earth's surface is in constant motion. From orbit, Earth's surface might appear calm and unchanging, but it's actually a dynamic and ever-shifting landscape. Plate tectonics drive the movement of continents, forming mountains, creating earthquakes, and shaping the planet over millions of years. This constant motion is visible from space through changes in Earth's surface features. Volcanic eruptions, for example, release plumes of ash and gas that can be seen from orbit, while earthquakes can cause visible shifts in terrain. Satellite imagery also reveals the slow but steady movement of glaciers, the formation of new islands, and the erosion of coastlines. The view from space also highlights the impact of human activity on Earth's surface. Deforestation, urbanization, and mining leave distinct marks that are visible even from hundreds of miles above. These changes serve as a stark reminder of the influence humans have on the planet's geology and ecosystems. Earth's dynamic surface is a testament to the planet's resilience and adaptability. From the slow drift of continents to the sudden eruption of volcanoes, the processes shaping our world are as powerful as they are fascinating. Earth's deserts are surprisingly alive. From space, Earth's deserts might seem like barren wastelands, but they are teeming with activity and life. The golden and reddish hues of deserts like the Sahara, Gobi, and Atacama stand out against the blue oceans and green forests. These vast landscapes tell a story of both harsh conditions and resilience. The most striking feature of deserts from orbit is their shifting sands. Wind patterns create immense sand dunes that can move several meters per year, forming intricate, wave-like patterns visible even from space. The interplay of sunlight and shadows on these dunes creates a mesmerizing view, highlighting the dynamic nature of these arid regions. Deserts are also a surprising source of life-sustaining elements. The Sahara Desert, for example, produces massive dust storms that carry nutrient-rich particles across the Atlantic Ocean to fertilize the Amazon rainforest. This global connection between deserts and rainforests showcases Earth's incredible balance of ecosystems. Despite their harsh environments, deserts support unique wildlife adapted to extreme conditions. Satellite imagery often reveals seasonal blooms, where brief rains transform the arid landscape into a colorful carpet of flowers and vegetation. From space, deserts are not just symbols of scarcity but also of survival and interconnectedness. Earth's cities glow brightly at night. One of the most captivating sights from space is Earth's cities illuminated at night. The planet comes alive with countless points of light, forming networks that trace human activity across continents. These lights reveal the extent of urbanization, showing clusters of cities, sprawling suburbs, and the highways connecting them. The brightest areas often correspond to major metropolitan regions, such as Tokyo, New York, and London, which stand out as beacons of activity. Even more fascinating is the contrast between densely populated areas and remote, dark regions, offering insights into the distribution of human habitation. While the view is breathtaking, it also highlights challenges like energy consumption and light pollution. Excessive artificial lighting affects ecosystems, disrupts nocturnal animals, and makes it harder for people to see the stars. Observing Earth at night from space provides valuable data to address these issues and promote sustainable urban development. The beauty of Earth's glowing cities is a reminder of humanity's ingenuity and impact on the planet. These shimmering lights symbolize progress and innovation, but they also encourage reflection on the balance between development and environmental stewardship. Earth's weather systems are a dance of forces. From orbit, Earth's weather systems appear as a grand ballet of clouds, winds, and storms. Massive hurricanes swirl over the oceans, while jet streams snake across continents, driving weather patterns that affect millions of people. The interplay of sunlight, air currents, and moisture creates a constantly changing spectacle. One of the most dramatic sights from space is the formation of hurricanes and typhoons. These powerful storms appear as spiraling cloud formations with a clear, calm eye at the center. Satellites track their movement in real time, providing critical data to predict landfall and help communities prepare. Beyond storms, Earth's weather includes fascinating phenomena like atmospheric rivers, which are narrow bands of concentrated moisture that transport water vapor across vast distances. These rivers in the sky can lead to heavy rainfall and flooding when they make landfall, and their patterns are visible from space as streaks of clouds stretching thousands of miles. The intricate patterns of Earth's weather systems, visible only from orbit, remind us of the delicate balance that sustains life. Understanding these systems is essential for predicting natural disasters, addressing climate change, and safeguarding the planet for future generations. The poles are changing dramatically. Earth's polar regions are among the most visually striking features seen from space, with their vast expanses of ice and snow reflecting sunlight in a dazzling display. However, these icy landscapes are undergoing rapid changes, revealing the impact of climate change on a global scale. The Arctic and Antarctic regions experience dramatic seasonal transformations. In winter, sea ice expands, covering millions of square miles, while in summer, much of it melts, exposing dark ocean waters that absorb heat. Satellites capture these changes in stunning detail, showing the dynamic interplay between ice, water, and temperature. One of the most concerning trends is the shrinking of polar ice caps. The Greenland ice sheet and Antarctic glaciers are losing mass at an alarming rate, contributing to rising sea levels. Satellite data has been instrumental in monitoring these changes, providing a clear picture of how human activities are affecting the planet. Despite these challenges, the poles remain critical to Earth's climate and ecosystems. They regulate global temperatures, influence weather patterns, and serve as habitats for unique wildlife. Observing the poles from space underscores the urgency of protecting these fragile environments and addressing the root causes of climate change. Earth's magnetic field creates a protective bubble. Earth's magnetic field is an invisible shield that protects the planet from harmful solar wind and cosmic radiation. Seen from space, it interacts with the sun's charged particles to create breathtaking phenomena like the auroras, while quietly safeguarding life below. The magnetic field originates from Earth's molten iron core, which generates electric currents as it moves. This geodynamo effect creates a magnetic bubble called the magnetosphere, which extends thousands of miles into space. The magnetosphere deflects most of the solar wind, preventing it from stripping away our atmosphere. During periods of intense solar activity, charged particles penetrate the magnetic field and interact with the atmosphere, creating stunning light displays near the poles. These events, while beautiful, also demonstrate the importance of the magnetosphere in protecting Earth's delicate systems. Satellites and space probes have provided invaluable data about the magnetic field, revealing its structure and fluctuations. They've also detected areas where the field weakens, known as magnetic anomalies, which offer clues about Earth's inner workings. The magnetic field is a silent guardian, shielding our planet while inspiring awe and wonder. And that concludes our incredible journey through 10 fascinating facts about Earth as seen from space. From glowing auroras to dynamic weather systems, our planet is a masterpiece of beauty and complexity. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep marveling at the wonders of our world and beyond.